Hello guys! Today I will show you how to make a 3D soda can mock-up with Pacdora. Go to pacdora.com. Here you will see 4,900 plus packaging mock-ups, 2,900 plus packing die lines. I will pick this soda can mock-up. More sizes available. I will pick this soda can mock-up. Upload your image. Pick the design that you want to add. Modify the image according to the provided guidelines. You can zoom in or zoom out. Now save it. You can view every angle using the 3D perspective. You can change the background to whichever one you want. Now super export. You can export images in either JPG or PNG format. You can create a die line file and customize it in Illustrator and PDF formats. You can export in video format with various animations. Also, you can get HTML code. And even you share it. Use my coupon code and get 20% off.